The 2024 Grotches Choir Christmas Cantata continues its nationwide tour, and this week, it presented a special stage called the Grotches Concert in Daejeon and Gimcheon. The gala concert, consisting of the main songs from the first act of the opera, vividly expressed the coming of the Messiah, and the mixed duet group Candlestick conveyed the warmth of Christmas with delicate harmony. Pastor Ok-soo Park, the founder of the choir, delivered a message to the audience about the birth of Jesus and its meaning, hoping that the audience would know the love of Jesus. In the final choir, they sang Silent Night, Holy Night together with the audience, sharing the emotion of Christmas. The Grotches Choir plans to continue to convey the joy and emotion of Christmas to more people through the remaining journey. Good News Yangu Church held a World Cultural Exchange Day event at the Yangu Youth Gymnasium on November 30th. Some parts included experiencing world food and traditional games, while the second part featured a mini Olympic Games, a mind lecture, and a lucky draw. Yangu County Governor Seo Hong-won and County Council Chairman Jang Chang-soo delivered congratulatory remarks, and the Yangu Cultural Center's talent donation performance was held. Yangu Church Pastor Kim Jeon-yong promoted the Christmas cantata, saying that he hopes this event will be a time for communication and empathy among families. Attendees expressed their hope that the event will become a representative family cultural event of Yangu County. Good News Bucheon Church Multicultural Team held a multicultural happiness sharing festival on November 30th. About 250 people, including multicultural families, international students, and foreign workers in Bucheon area, enjoyed cultural performances. Bucheon Church Pastor Im Jang-ji gave a mind lecture on how love, hope, and faith can be the strength to hold on to hearts. Attendees showed great interest in the next event schedule, and also the Bucheon Church Multicultural Team also announced about the invite of foreigners connected through this event to the Christmas Eve festival on 22nd to spread the gospel. Puerto Rico Good News San Juan Church held a Christmas concert on 2nd and 4th. The concert featured performances by world-renowned pianist Adlin Cruz, the youth choir, and the One Voice group. On the same day, the 2N, the Dorado City ATP Orphanage also held a charity concert for children, and missionary Choi Yoon-seong explained the birth of Jesus and shared the gospel. The San Juan Church plans to continue to share the gospel with more people through Christmas concerts. Lesotho Good News Maseru Church held an academy class along with Sunday service on 1st. The academy, which started on 10th of last month, included various programs such as Taekwondo, Korean, and Chinese, and about 100 people took classes. The students came to the service every week, listened to the gospel together, and experienced a change of heart. Missionary Shim Ju-won from Lesotho spoke about the importance of a strong heart from God, and the Lesotho Church said that they hope that new people will be saved and connected to the church through this academy class. Malawi Good News Lilong Church held a Christmas camp and Christian leaders meeting CLF from November 30th to December 1st. This event was the first event held in the newly completed chapel, and was attended by over 1,000 believers from all over Malawi and IYF Academy students. Pastor Ru Hong Yil of Good News Gimpo Church gave a sermon, and there were dance performances by Good News Corps members and the Malawi Branch Youth Group, and praise by the choir. About 200 pastors attended the CLF that followed, sharing their heart changes and hoping that the gospel would be spread throughout Malawi.